Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new iPad with the 10.2-inch Retina display. So getting into the box here, we can see the classic box design from Apple. Keeping it simple, saying iPad and a side view of the iPad on the front. This will be the budget iPad and it starts at $329, but it still has some great features which put it in line with the iPad Pro and the iPad Air. So this iPad has the Apple Pencil support now, and it's got Smart Keyboard support, making it compete with the other iPads, even though its price is significantly lower. So as we can open the box, we see the iPad with its classic design of the home button and the bezels. It doesn't look like the iPad Pro, but it's similar to the iPad Air. And on the back it says iPad with a giant Apple logo and a small 8 megapixel camera at the back. You wouldn't be using this iPad to shoot videos, so that doesn't really bother me. But for 2019 going into 2020 standards, 8 megapixels is quite low, but it's understandable as this is the budget model. Inside the box we can see the instructions, which will dish to the side. We can see the power cable and the power block. This is standard charging, doesn't support wireless charging or fast charging. So you get your classic Apple cable. And that's it for this box. This is the iPad. We'll go ahead and start it up and see how the OS is looking like with the A10 chip, which is the same as the iPhone 7. Now, since this is the budget model, Apple wants to recycle some of the processors, and using this iPad is perfectly capable of running the latest software. iPadOS takes advantage of the hardware of the iPad to produce a better experience for the user, giving the user a dock which can be accessed at any time during applications to switch. It helps with multitasking on the iPad's larger screen, whereas those capabilities are not available on iOS. And here we're prompted to select light or dark mode. This is new with iOS 13 and iPadOS, so you can choose whether you want dark mode or light mode. This can be changed later in the settings, but it's definitely a new feature which this iPad can take advantage of. So that'll be it for this unboxing. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. This is the brand new iPad released by Apple.